Welcome to part 14 of our .NET movie series. Today, we will cover syncing your local SQLite data with a remote server and handling data conflicts. Syncing ensures your app works offline and online smoothly, keeping data consistent and fast. A typical sync process involves detecting local changes, pushing them to the server, then pulling server changes and resolving conflicts. Track data changes locally using timestamps or flags to know which records need syncing. Send changed data in batches through REST APIs, retrying if the network is unavailable. Fetch only changes from the server to reduce data transfer and keep local data fresh. When local and server data conflict, use a strategy like last write wins or prompt the user to decide. Let us run the project with the local insert, syncing up, pulling updates, and handling conflicting edits. Efficient syncing ensures smooth UX. Always test under slow or flaky network conditions. You can leverage libraries like Azure Mobile Apps or Ream for easier sync or build custom solutions. Syncing data is vital for modern apps, especially with intermittent connectivity. Next, we will explore push notifications to engage users with timely alerts. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.